Guys, I'm back with another video. Package just came in. Turbos are about to sound crazy. I'm gonna try to do this install in like no longer than 2 hours. I haven't done this before, but just take a look. Shit. Got some Front Mount Intakes. They literally just came in. White with the blue filters. I feel like that'll look good because I got the blue calipers. Actually, that doesn't look that bad. That matches up pretty good. And then obviously the white tubes because the car is white. Let's get started, man. I'm trying to get this shit done in 2 hours. I was holding back a little bit. I wasn't sure if I should go front mount just because I've heard of like what is it called? Like waterlocking the car, waterlogging, whatever it's called. But I said fuck it. If anything, I know you could put the socks on the filter and all that shit, so I'm gonna just get that. But it's not supposed to rain for the next few days, so I'm gonna start taking shit out. This isn't really gonna be a how-to. I'm gonna try to like make it as informative as I can, but I'm kind of, you know, I'm gonna figure it out. I watched some videos, it doesn't seem too complicated, but we're about to find out. These front mount intakes aren't from RK Tune. I'm not spending 900 bucks on fucking intakes. Like, that's crazy. And it's silicone, it's not even metal. Like, that's fucking ridiculous. But shit, RK, if you wanna send me some, I will put them on. But I'm not paying 900 bucks. Gotta take this shit off. Real easy, just twist it. Put that shit to the side. Do it to the other side too. Next, you want something like this, you can use a flathead or anything. You just wanna pry this up. Ooh. Perfect, easy. Pretty sure this one has two, no? I just took those pins out, but real quick, let me get you guys a little before and after, because I always forget to do that. So let me do that now. I'm about to take the strut bar off on both sides, obviously. Just gonna lift this up after you take those little plastic pieces off, and then you lift it up. It's gonna be 2 bolts on each, like one up here and then one back here. Just take that off. And shit, I don't like the engine cover box, air box, whatever you want to call this shit. It looks nice, but if you gotta do an oil change, you gotta take this shit off. Like, cause the fucking filter is back here. Like, it's crazy. Just try not to let anything fall in, cause there's so much plastic down there. If that shit falls in, that shit's gone. Just kind of lift it. Lift it, pop it out. It's pretty easy. Now you grab a flathead, right? Yeah, grab a flathead. I'll show you guys what you gotta do with this. And you gotta loosen every single one of these right here. I fucking hate using these. I might even, yeah, I'm not doing it. Alright, so I'm gonna swap it out for one of these. Just cause you just pop it on there and it's a lot easier. Just wanna make sure it's not gonna like fall out. Cause like I said, if that shit falls in there, that shit's gone. So yeah, there's 3 on this side and then 1 on the other side. You just wanna loosen them up. Just squeeze them, pull them back, and they should pop out pretty easily. And then to get this off, kind of just pop it up. And this just comes off. There's a whole thing. This is your engine cover and your air box, which is kind of crazy. Won't need this anymore. But yeah, so now you want to get rid of this tube right here. You want to move that one out. You're gonna keep, I believe it was this one, yep. So you're gonna keep this one because you reuse this one. And then we're gonna remove these two. Just kind of squeeze it, I'm pretty sure, and pull. So you just pull it out. Let me take these out. So I'm not completely sure on how to remove these, but from what I've seen, you kind of just push these tabs in and pull on them at the same time. And then to get the bottom tabs out, you kind of just pull them towards you. Obviously, you gotta be like kind of gentle with it. I have the worst luck with these. Anything that has a fucking tab on it, I usually end up breaking. So hopefully I don't do that today. But all right, other side is done. So now I'm gonna remove this one. Like I already did it on this side. I'm pretty sure I gotta remove that as well. So I just figured out easy way to do it. Squeeze the middle. Squeeze it like in the center right there. And then I guess that opens that. You gotta remove these right here. You gotta lift these up. There should be two. Yep, so there's one right here and then one on my index finger over here on the other side. Pull them out and then you should be able to just pull that off completely. I heard that, nigga. Cuidado, que I was about to have my gun ready, nigga.
Tá vivo?
I was about to have my gun ready, bro.
Coño, tá vivo.
Your boy strapped up now.
You felt the heat?
I heard the light was turning on and I saw a shadow over there.
You did?
Yeah.
Tá vivo?
Get the thicker.
Coño.
I live in this neighborhood.
I thought you were sleeping.
I wasn't raised here. Got it out. And I dropped my fucking flathead in there. That's gonna suck to get out. I got lucky. I'm telling you, don't drop shit in there. That shit sucks. Alright. Couldn't get these out. So I'm gonna try and see. I think you just pull on these. So yeah, pull that shit out. Oh yeah. Yep, it did help take it out. Yep. So yeah, I wasn't gonna get that out if you don't pull those little grills out. I don't know what you want to call them. Fuck. That shit is crazy. This side came out easy as fuck. So this one is gonna be this side. It's the shortest one that goes straight from that turbo to here. And then you got the longer one, which is gonna go like this. This one's gonna go like this. All right, now I'm gonna try to pass these through without adding any soapy water. Cause what the fuck? Yeah, nah, I'm gonna have to spray it. God damn. Ooh. Alright, let me grab that soapy water real quick, cause That shit is not going in. Do I have anything? Got my soapy water. I hope I put enough soap. Spray this bitch in. I don't know if it's like going in like slowly. I'm taking this off. I was trying not to take it off, but I'm taking it off. What size is that? Stab off. I might just go ahead and take the other side off because this is supposed to be the easy side. If I'm struggling to take this side off. There we go. It's in. Obviously, I'll clean it up once it's like actually set up and installed. And then you're just gonna connect that right there. Put this on before I put some fucking glue on this shit. Make sure it goes in good. Okay. Hopefully that helps. Damn. There's these two metal pieces on the side. You gotta squeeze it into. And you squeeze it into one side, it just pops out on the other side. I got it. That shit is crazy. Like it shouldn't be that hard. I believe I gotta put these on. The coupling, whatever these are called. Pretty straightforward. Pop this end on this side. Taking it though, I'm not fucking, I don't know. So I'm gonna put it in where it's like about halfway. And then I also gotta put one of these on this side. It's on there. Ooh, that's on now. Now is filters. So you gotta put these on. Okay. Next, I'm gonna take the filter, that on there. This is probably as good as it's gonna get. Like as even as it's gonna get. I think I'm good. First startup, here we go. Entertainment system didn't want to start up right away, so this didn't turn on right away. My RPMs were a little rough, but other than that it seems like it's running fine. Now I'm gonna let it run for a little bit. I'm gonna hook up my, what is it? I'm gonna hook my OBD up and just check my the chart, make sure my boost is good, and then if that's all good, then I'm gonna just pack it up. All right. So I did it the other day without the intakes, and that's pretty much what it was at when I was just idling. So I'm assuming it's good. I think boost wise we're good. So now we're chilling. I don't know if that was outside, if that was my car. Either way, I didn't like the sound of it. Oh my god, my lip. Alright. Let's go for a ride, bruh. Let's go for a ride. Let me grab my keys. Hell yeah, you can hear that shit. Low key, these back roads are better. Go through right here. Hell yeah, they were worth it for $500. Probably could have got it cheaper on Alibaba, but shipping was like under a week, I'd say. So honestly, I can't complain. Alright guys, I'm ending it off there. Gotta find somewhere to store that now. I think I got all the clips I wanted, that I needed, but front mounts officially installed. I feel like it looks pretty good. Now, definitely need to do some cosmetic stuff. Want to go lower for sure. 100% need to lower it. Spacers for the wheels, just to make it look a little bit more aggressive. I'm happy with my intakes. Definitely recommend them. Sounds way louder than the stock gearbox. I was gonna do filters or like those Burger Motorsports, like the ones that go in like the corner, but I don't know. I'm happy with my purchase. It was a little stressful. Install was, I'd say, what can I give it out of 10? I'll give it a 7 out of 10. It wasn't too bad, but having to force that shit through there, it's pretty rough. Overall, happy with it. Sounds good. Gives you a little bit of horsepower, a little bit of extra power. Why not? And I feel like from the front, being able to seal the filters looks cool. Comment, like, subscribe, all that. Let me know what you guys think I should do next. So stay tuned.